The Custom Keto Diet is a popular and effective way to achieve weight loss and improve overall health. It stands out from other diets because it is tailored specifically to each individual's needs and goals. This personalized approach provides a number of benefits that make it an attractive option for many people. The Custom Keto Diet takes into account factors such as age, gender, activity level, and food preferences to create a meal plan that is unique to each person. This means that the diet is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a customized plan that takes into consideration individual differences and needs. One of the key components of the Custom Keto Diet is its focus on high-fat, low-carbohydrate foods. By reducing carb intake, the body enters a state called ketosis, where it starts using stored fat as a source of energy instead of glucose. This leads to weight loss and can also improve energy levels and mental clarity. In addition to weight loss, the Custom Keto Diet is also beneficial for other health conditions. It has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Many people also report improved digestion and reduced cravings for unhealthy foods while following the diet. Another advantage of the Custom Keto Diet is its flexibility. Unlike other restrictive diets, it allows for a wide variety of food options, making it easier to stick to in the long run. This can help prevent feelings of deprivation and increase overall satisfaction with the diet. Overall, the Custom Keto Diet offers a personalized and effective approach to weight loss and improved health. Its focus on high-fat, low-carb foods, along with its flexibility and customization, make it a compelling option for those looking to make positive changes to their eating habits.